Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. And we made a tremendous love spell, and this love spell is also very easy and everybody can do this love spell. And this love spell you don't have to need too much ingredients. You have to take couple of things with you that you can find easily from your home. And this love spell is very easy. For this love spell you have to take couple of things with you. These things are red thread, knife, a plain paper, a lemon, a black marker. No ingredient required after these things, and these things you can find it easily from your home. And this love spell is help you out to get your ex back in your life, the person you like a most, but you are unable to propose him or her. Then this spell would 100% work for you. But the thing is, you don't have to give any wrong attention. You don't have give anyone to harm, and then this love spell would work for you. You have to give your full faith and trust on this love spell, then it will definitely work for you. This love spell is very very easy, and with these things you can get your love back in your life. So I'm going to tell you how this process works, this will help you out to get your ex back. You have to write in the middle of this paper, you have to write the name of your, first of all you have to write your name. For example, your name is Asif and you are from 24 years, and then you have to write the name of your lover. Like for example, your lover name is Jessica and she is 34 years old. You have to write it 3 times. Asif, your age. These names are, for example, you have to write it like this. Then what you have to do, you have to cut the lemon not like this. You have to cut it from the middle like this. You have to cut it gently. After that, what you have to do, you have to fold these papers like this. Like your name is Asif and you want Jessica's attention, then you have to fold it towards like this. Then your name should be up on your lover's name. 2 times you have to fold it like this, and 1 time you have to fold it like this. After what you have to do, you have to keep this like this from the middle. Like this, you have to keep this from the middle, and you have to use this thread like this. You have to remove this paper like this. Please give your full attention to this video. With that you can get your love back, and this spell would 100% work. And you have to fold this thread like this. With that, the lemon or this paper should not be came out. It should not be separated. You have to do this like this, very good way. With that, no one can separate it like this. After that, what you have to do, you have to give your full attention with the one thing, that while doing this love spell, nobody should interrupt you, nobody should see you, nobody should ask you anything, and you have to do this love spell that no one is with you. If you did this spell in the front of someone, then it would not work. Please listen it very carefully. If you would do this love spell with the front of anyone, then it would not work. After that, what you have to do, you have to keep this lemon in your fridge. It could be a bit hard because there are the lots of people that are using the same fridge. If you can't use the fridge, you can put it in your private place where no one should touch it. After you see that, you keep it on the same place for 2 hours, then your ex would try to contact you straight away. That person would love you and come back in your life. If you are facing any kind of question, you can call us on our number that is showing on the top of the screen. Please like our video and subscribe our channel. If you want any kind of another love spell that would work in 30 seconds, that is also we made it, and you can see our channel for more videos like this. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.